Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Celsius from Fahrenheit. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, you'll use a simple formula. First, take your Fahrenheit temperature and subtract 32 from it. This initial step adjusts the starting point of the scale. Next, you'll multiply that new number by 5/9. This fraction accounts for the different size of the degree units between the two scales, giving you the accurate Celsius temperature. Let's try an example to make this clear. Imagine you have a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we subtract 32 from 68, which leaves us with 36. Now, we take that 36 and multiply it by 5/9. When you do the math, 36 multiplied by 5/9 equals 20. So, 68 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 20 degrees Celsius. What if you need to go the other way, from Celsius to Fahrenheit? The process is just as simple. You'll start by taking your Celsius temperature and multiplying it by 9/5. This fraction is the inverse of the one used for the previous conversion. After that, you simply add 32 to your result. This final step gives you the correct temperature in Fahrenheit. Here are a couple of quick tips to help you remember. 0 degrees Celsius is the same as 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the freezing point of water. Also, a change of 5 degrees Celsius is equivalent to a 9-degree Fahrenheit change, showing the different scale increments. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.